In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Lovable. When you first open Lovable, your starting point is the large prompt box in the center of the page. This is where you tell the platform what you want to build. Think of it as giving clear instructions to an assistant. The more specific and organized your description is, the easier it will be for Lovable to understand your idea and turn it into a useful starting project. In that prompt box, describe the app or website you want to create. Try to explain the core purpose of the project and include the main features you want from the beginning. For example, instead of writing something very short and vague, it helps to mention what the product does and what kind of experience you want users to have. A good example would be something like this. Create a personal finance tracker with user login, expense categories, charts, and a dark mode. This works well because it gives Lovable a clear goal and several important features to include right away. It identifies the type of app, who it is for, and some of the functionality that matters most. As you write your prompt, focus on clarity. Keep your request simple enough to be understood quickly, but detailed enough to guide the project in the right direction. If you already know the essential features, include them in the same sentence or short paragraph. This can help save time later and give you a stronger first version of your project. Once your description is ready, submit it by pressing Enter on your keyboard or by clicking the Send button. That action tells Lovable to begin generating your new project based on the prompt you provided. At this stage, the key is not perfection. Your first prompt does not have to include every tiny detail. What matters most is that you communicate the main idea clearly so the platform can create a solid foundation. After that, you can continue refining and improving the project as needed. So to recap in a simple way, go to the large prompt box in the center of the page, describe the app or website you want to create as clearly as possible, and then press Enter or click Send to create the project. That's all it takes to start a new project in Lovable, and with a well-written prompt, you'll set yourself up for a much better result right from the beginning.